Caption close Austin, Texas education agency auditors dismissed concerns lodged by the agency's former special education director who alleged the state improperly awarded a multi-million-dollar, no-bid contract to a tech company that is mining data on disabled students. Auditors reviewed the state's contract with SPEDX, a data company, after the agency's special education director alleged another employee awarded the contract to a friend. Lori Cash, the director, also alleged the agency did not attempt to determine if other vendors could provide the same service. The accusations could not be substantiated, and the complainant's charges were made without basis and were not supportable, said Bill Wilson, the T's director of internal audit, in a memo obtained by the Houston Chronicle. Cash raised concerns about the contract internally, and in late November, also filed a federal complaint against the agency for awarding the contract. T fired Cash last month because of allegations that she covered up the sexual abuse of a 6-year-old girl in her previous school district. 2 former employees filed a civil lawsuit making the allegations in Oregon days before Cash was fired. Cash denies the allegations. Bill Alisher, Cash's lawyer, said he does not trust the audit because it does not cite any legal analysis and auditors did not investigate all of Cash's concerns. It's hard to refer to that as an audit without putting quote marks around that word, Alisher said. It doesn't conclude that T properly awarded the contract, it just addresses 3 issues. Auditors reviewed whether a T staff member awarded a contract to her friend, if the staff member arranged for her friend to become a subcontractor and if there were attempts made to find vendors with similar products. Alisher contends T is using the Oregon lawsuit as a cover, and said Cash was fired because she was outspoken about the SPEDX contract. The Georgia-based company received a $4 million contract to analyze students' Individualized Education Program, or IEP. An IEP lays out a student's disability, his education needs and how a school intends to meet those needs. In a presentation to school districts, T said SPEDX will analyze IEPs to detect hidden patterns and insights that can help the department better serve students. T did not put the contract out for bid because the data project requires specialized software that state staff say only SPEDX can provide. Cash, however, believed Penny Schwinn, the T's chief deputy commissioner of academics, awarded the contract to a friend. Christina Heights, who Schwinn met through an education training program, introduced Schwinn to SPEDX CEO Richard Nyankari in January, according to the audit. Once SPEDX won the state contract a few months later, the company hired Heights to conduct training for T staff and to interview special education stakeholders. T auditors found no wrongdoing with that arrangement. Mr. Nyankari did not suggest that T persuaded him to hire this subcontractor, and it was a decision he made early in the process, the memo said. In fact, the agency is not permitted to direct a vendor on what subcontractor to use.